Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix iPhone full storage after updating to iOS 17. So if you guys are experiencing some issues with your iPhone device, and you have the full storage option when you recently updated to the latest version of iOS, well, most of it can do to fix this issue is, well, I'm gonna teach you that in this video, so please watch this video until the end to find out how to do this. Alright guys, so what we need to do first, in order for us to fix this iPhone full storage option, is still launch these settings, and I want you to tap on General right here. Next let's tap on iPhone storage, and you're gonna see how much storage that you have left, and what are these specific applications that are eating up all of your storage. And most devices, you're gonna see that the Photos app is gonna, well, eat up most of the storage space. But of course, it's gonna depend on user to user, and if you are a user who doesn't really take lots of photos on your device, well, some other applications, Mail or your iCloud Drive, could take up most of the space. So what we should do from here is to follow the iPhone storage's recommendations. As you see, it is gonna show us some recommendations on what to do to free up some more space. I'm gonna actually tap on Show All and choose one of these options to, well, free up some space and have more space to fix this full storage issue. So we can actually go ahead and enable our iCloud Photos if we haven't already, and move some of our photos on our internal storage over onto the iCloud, so that we can free up some more storage, so that we could use our device and its best performance. We could also do is to go ahead and tap on this option to delete our recently deleted album, and we could actually go ahead and do that and tap on delete from this iPhone, so that we could free up to 1.81 gigabytes of space. So about, as you see, it's gonna free up 1.8 gigabytes of space. And we could also go ahead and tap on the optimized storage option, so that it's gonna automatically remove the offline maps. If you do have this enabled, gonna do that as well. You can also tap on review your videos and choose some of those videos that you have on your device. So that is basically not unnecessary to have on your device, and go ahead and delete those as well. Basically, one of the best ways to fix this issue is to follow the iPhone's recommendations on how we could free up some space and prevent our iPhone to be full storage after the update. And basically, you could also choose some of these applications as well. Go through your photos, choose some of those photos that you don't really want to have on your device, and delete them, and choose some of these applications that you don't really use that often, and delete them as well. And that's how you could free up some space on your device, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next one.